Hi friends, please subscribe to my channel and for latest updates plus bell icon. Hi friends, today I like to show my another strategy in Andar Bahar called as follow strategy. This strategy has few limitations. The first one is this strategy works in 1000 rupees as a minimum bet tables. Second is it may not work properly when the cards get shuffled at missions. Third one is you need to choose the shoe properly such a way that AB, 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 that is Andar Bahar, Andar Bahar, Andar Bahar. This alternative type of entity should not occur at regular intervals. Andar Bahar is the best card game when compared to the rest of the games in Casino except Baccarat. Andar Bahar is having the odds of winning in the game is 50-50. The only usage for this game is the suit. Only Andar Bahar tables will give good profits to the professional gamblers. Let me explain brief about my strategy. If you started the shoe, then you need to place on Bahar as your first bet. Or else if you started at the middle of the game, it's your choice whether you can put on Bahar or Andar. My strategy is very simple. Whenever if you get Andar as your entity in a previous round, then place bet on Andar on the next game. Simply speaking, follow the previous entity. It may be Bahar or Andar by maintaining rectangle strategy with a fixed amount of bankroll. My normally bankroll suggestion is from 16k to 32k.
If you lose, stop playing on the day, go back to home. Friends, now I am going to show you the real-time application which will work in real-time casinos. The first I have set my initial bet to the amount to 1000 rupees. As I said, if you started the shoe, you have to place the first bet on the Bahar, that is 1000 rupees. I got the suit, so I lost the game. So the next bet you should bet on Andar itself, that is 2000 rupees by following the rectangle strategy. Whenever you got the previous entity, you should place on the same itself. Let me see what happens again in the second round. Come on. Come on. I've lost the second round also, that is 3000 rupees in total. So my third round bet should be on Bahar, that is 4000 rupees. I lost again. So in total 7,000 rupees. So I will place the bet on under, that is 8,000 rupees. If I lost in this round, I will do one more round. I will go to the 16k. So if I lost that 16k, I will go to 13k. That is my final bankroll. Let me see. It has to come. Now it has to come. We need to beat the casinos like this. Yes, we got under. So whenever you won, you have to play, you have to come to the previous bet. Means previous bet means 1,000 rupees, means initial bet. You have to place on the same. Whenever you win on the same thing, you have to place the bet on the same one. Whatever you lost, you gained by placing on the bet on the fourth round. Oh, you won again. So again the 1,000 rupees is the profit for you. So I told, whenever you won, you have to place on the same entity. Whenever you won, you should not increase your bet. You have to place the same amount of bet, that is the 1,000 rupees on under itself. Any game in casino, you should not play for a longer time. You should play for a shorter time to gain profits. Yes, you won again. So like this, if you follow this strategy, you can beat the casino.